Hi, in this chapter, we are going to learn about while loop. In our previous chapter, we learned about for loop. In while loop, let's say while and our block. So inside the loop, the parentheses, that is where we write our condition for the code. So inside this parenthesis is where we write the condition. Unlike for loop we declare the condition inside the parenthesis. The condition inside the parenthesis, we initialize the loop inside the parenthesis and also the increment. But for while loop, we only put the condition inside the while. So let me say while true. So while true, we are going to execute looping. So whenever this condition, it meets the condition, and then we are going to execute the code. This code I'm looping, and if you have checked, true is inside the while, which means it is true and it's going to loop forever. There's nothing that's going to stop it, because this code says while true and it's true, so it's going to be looped forever. So let me save and check my browser. So you've seen it is looping. Okay, 2000, 3000. It will loop forever because the statement or the condition is true. So it will be looping and looping and looping and looping.